Hey there, supercoders! Have you ever wondered what's really inside a website? You click it every single day to watch awesome videos, play fun games, and learn cool new stuff. But what's actually happening behind the screen? It's like magic, right? Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain, open it up, and peek inside a website's amazing brain. Get ready for a tech adventure. First things first, every single website you visit starts with something super important called HTML. Think of HTML like the sturdy bones of the site. Just like your skeleton gives your body shape, HTML gives the website its basic structure. It tells the computer exactly where to put all the different pieces, like where the pictures go, where the text should sit, and even where those clickable buttons need to be. It's the blueprint, but a blueprint on its own can be a bit plain, right? That's where CSS comes in. CSS is like the website's very own fashion designer, making everything look absolutely fabulous. CSS makes all those cool colors, beautiful fonts, and fun layouts you see. Without it, the web would look super boring, just plain black and white words everywhere, with no pictures or fancy buttons. Imagine a world without colorful web pages. CSS makes everything pop and makes sites exciting and fun to explore. Now here's where it gets really smart and exciting. Websites have a super brain, and it's called JavaScript. JavaScript is what truly makes websites come alive. It's the magic behind all the movement and interaction you experience. It helps those cool buttons move, makes online games playable, and allows pages to respond instantly when you click or type something. So, when you press a button and something awesome happens on screen, that's pure JavaScript magic at work. It brings the website to life, but wait, there's even more going on behind the scenes. Every website you visit connects to something called a server. Think of a server as a super powerful, giant computer that stores absolutely all the website's data. Every picture, every word, every game code. When you want to visit a site, your computer quickly sends a message saying, "Hey server, can I please see that cool page?" And the server, being super fast and helpful, sends it right back to you. That's exactly how you get to see all your favorite pages appear on your screen almost instantly. It's like amazing digital teamwork happening in a flash. And here's a cool secret you might not know. If you right-click on almost any website and choose View Page Source, you'll actually see its hidden code. That's the secret recipe that web developers, like the ones who built your favorite sites, create. It's what makes everything work perfectly behind the scenes. And guess what? You can totally learn to write that code too, step by step. Every single amazing website out there started with a curious kid, just like you, who wanted to create something cool. So now you know what's inside a website. The HTML bones for structure, the CSS style for beauty, and the JavaScript brainpower for action and interaction. Isn't that incredible? If you loved learning all this cool stuff, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome tech adventures, and comment "I'm a web explorer" below. Because here at DevNaija for Kids, we believe in raising future nation builders. Thanks for watching, Super Coders.